Best plants as house plants. What are the best house plants that you can keep indoors as indoor plants? So today I'll be covering up about that. So welcome to Thamara's garden. Here I have some indoor plants with me which I have kept at the entrance. So I will narrate you one by one what are the best suggestions for your house plants or indoor plants for your home garden, and also the reason why these plants are the best house plants as your indoor plants. So let's see what are the plants and the reasons. Best and most easy to grow plant is these pothos plants. These plants are very easy to maintain because they are low maintenance, permanent, and also one of the air purifier plants too. So these plants you can grow without fertilizer as well. One of the permanent plants, so you can keep them indoors as an indoor plant too because they are shade loving plants. So one of the reasons why these plants are best house plants because they are low maintenance, shade loving, and air purifying. So these are the reasons these pothos plants are best suggestion for you to keep in as house plants. Next best house plant variety is this Dracaena varieties. This plant also you can grow with a single stem and easy to grow and easy to maintain. Why this is a good suggestion for your house plant collection is this is one of the low maintenance plants and also one of the permanent. So once you have one plant you can have many plants out of them. There are many varieties too. So here I have this color as well. These plants are low maintenance and permanent. So grow these plants also as your house plants. Next beautiful house plant is this umbrella plant. So this is a best suggestion for your house plants collection. Reason is these are beautiful feng shui plants and also money attracting plants, or else you can call it as a good luck plant. So have this umbrella plant also in your house plants collection. These are Chinese evergreen plants. You can make free plants out of them very easily by dividing them. These are also low maintenance ornamental plants which you can keep indoors as an indoor plant. So this is a best suggestion for your house plant collection. The reason is you can make free plants within a very short period of time by dividing. So this is another wonderful low maintenance and also permanent plants for your house plant collection. Another easy to grow and must have plants are these spider plants. Best house plants because they are easy to grow and maintain, also low maintenance and permanent. Easy to make free plants too. So they grow from spiderets and you can make free plants very easily within a short period of time. You will have many plants. You can grow them in small pots, bigger pots, or any DIY planters. I have a good collection of spider plants which I have made from the mother plant. So this is one of the house plants that you can grow easily without any trouble because they are low maintenance and also permanent plants. So this is a best house plant that you must have in your house plants collection. These are dwarf syngonium, mini syngonium. They are also one of the best house plants because easy to grow and easy to maintain. And once you have one plant, you can multiply them very easily. And this is also a great indoor plant, very easy to look after and maintain too. And one of the permanent and air purification plants too. So the reason is you should have these plants because they are air purifier plants. If you like adding colors to your home plants and also if you like to add them to your indoor plants collection, Coleas are the next best option because these are also low maintenance. You can grow from cuttings easily in water and propagate them in soil too. So make these plants your best house plants because they are easy to look after. That is the one reason these Coleas plants are really very famous among indoor plants. So this is another indoor plant that you can grow really very easily and one of the best house plant. If you are a person who loves variegated leaves, this triangular ficus is one of the best plants because this is a best house plant for your whole garden collection. One of the feng shui plants too, one of the good luck plants. So add this one plant in your house plants collection as an indoor plant. Very easy to maintain, one of the permanent plants. You can grow them from stems. Looking for a permanent low maintenance plant and to add colors to your indoor plants collection, this is the best plant, Panduna's plant, or known as the Keuda plant. These are low maintenance permanent plants for your house plant collection because they add beautiful attractive colors. So have this plant also in your indoor plants collection as a best house plant. Very easy to divide and make many plants out of them too. If you like having different colorful plants in your house plants collection, aglonema is the best option because they are in beautiful colors. So add this one plant in your indoor plants collection. They are also permanent. You can divide and multiply them easily. And also this is another permanent plant which doesn't need fertilizer too. So these are the plants that you can easily grow in your indoor plants collection. So have them, and I have described about the reasons why you should have them in your collection as well. So if you are new, consider to subscribe to get more gardening videos from Thamara's Garden. Thank you.